that's being given. Exactly. So you are being given what? Our amplitude, which is A, is our amplitude, is 0.15 meter. And you are being given the frequency, which is F, which is 550 hertz. And you are being given the wavelength. So the wavelength is your lambda, which is 0.01 meter. Now in this aspect, you are now going to check which one would fit into this equation. Almost all can fit into the equation. So you are being given F. Are you getting it? You are being given this. You can use either this or this. Isn't it? So let's use this number 1. What is it going to give? Yeah? Time is it's not must that time must be given. If you see your what's it called, the options, there are D, C there. So this one now will be Y equals to what? Your A is what? 0.15 sine 2 pi all over lambda is what? 0.01 equals, sorry, bracket X is what? You don't know X minus what? 550 times 0.01 T. Alright? So what's it going to give? Y equals to 0.15 times what? 2 pi. This 2 pi, divide this one by this. What's it going to give? Divide this by this. Only is 2 divided by 0.01. What's it going to give? 200. Isn't it? Right? 200. When you divide this by this, it gives you 200 pi bracket what? X minus this multiplied by this, you give you what? 5.5. Isn't it? So 5.5 T. So this will be the equation of the wave. The equation of the wave, which is what? C. So this will be our answer. Is that clear? Current. To get the current, that is why they gave you this power. Is that clear? Now we are going to say power equals to IV. Eh? Isn't it? We are looking for this current. They give you the power and the voltage. Isn't it? What is your power? 3 times 10 raised to the power what? 3, because of this kilo. Kilo is 10 raised to the power 3. Equals to what? Your current multiplied by your voltage. Your voltage is what? 1.5 kilo. 1.5 kilo, 10 times raised to the power 3. Exactly. We are looking for I. What are we going to do? Divide both sides by what? 1.5. So this one will give us what? 3 times 10 raised to the power 3. I equals to what? Over 1.5 times 10 raised to the power 3. This will remove this. I will give us what? What's it going to give? 20. 2. Is it 2? 2 amps. So in this aspect now, you cannot get your power loss. What is your power loss? Formula for power loss that said this is the power loss. Power loss is what? I square R. Power loss equals to what is your I? 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by your resistance is what? 20. What's it going to be? 4 times 20, which will give us what? 80 watts. Power is always in what? Watts. Which means your answer is what? Your A. Is that clear? Huh? Yes. Okay. That's how it is. Chill with that. Image distance. They say if you find the object distance, which is u, So in this aspect, your formula for magnification is what? V over what? U. So you can get your U now. Your W is what? 24 equals to V is what? 72 all over what? U. You cross multiply. That will be 24 U equals to 72. Isn't it? You divide both sides by 24. What's it going to give? 3. So this here will be 3. So your U equals to what? 3 meter. So which means your object distance is equal to what? 3 meter, which is your what? C.
Yes.
So in another case, if I decided to give you your image, your object distance and your image distance, and tell you to find the magnification, which means you are still going to use this formula. Is that clear?
Yes.
And in the length formula, it has the general formula, which says your 1 over f equals to what? 1 over v plus 1 over u. Your f is what we call the focal length, while your v is the what? Image distance, and your u is the object distance. Is that clear?
Yes.
So that's the general formula for the equation, the length formula.